Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. Welcome to UK Chemistry Academy. As you know that we are solving the past paper of organic chemistry. Now let's come to the statement. How can the following reaction can be described? Okay, there is a reaction. You can see that left side of the reaction is called reactant side, and the right side of the reaction will be called product side. You can see that in the reactant side there is a alkane, that is octane C8H18, that is octane. The general formula of octane is CnH2n plus 2. Octane is converting into C4H10, which means that it is alkane, that is butane, and C2H4, it is ethene, that is alkene. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. Okay, first of all, you have to remember that this is the cracking, this is the reaction of a cracking. How can we say that this is the cracking process? Because the higher hydrocarbon, this one is the higher hydrocarbon octane, is breaking into lower hydrocarbon, that is butane and ethene. Whenever higher hydrocarbon breaks down into lower hydrocarbon, then it will be called cracking process. And you have to memorize one thing: whenever you break down the higher hydrocarbon like alkane into lower hydrocarbon, then the two major products will be obtained. The first one is alkane, that this one is the alkane, that is butane, and the second one will be the ethene, that is alkene, which means that whenever you break down the alkane, it will produce the one molecule of alkane or one molecule of alkene. Okay, you must remember that. Now comes to the option. The alpha option is that it is the combustion process. No, it is not the combustion process, because in the combustion process, the carbon dioxide and water and heat will be the product. But in this case, there is no carbon dioxide, there is no water, and there is no heat is releasing. So it is not the combustion process, so it is the incorrect option. B option is that it is the oxidation process. No, it is not the oxidation process. So we cannot see any oxygen in this reaction. There is no addition of oxygen takes place in this reaction. So it is not the oxidation process. So it is also the incorrect option. The Charlie option is it is the reduction process. No, it is not the reduction process. There are equal number of hydrogen atoms in reactants as well as in product. You can see that there are 18 hydrogen atoms in the reactant side, and there are also 10. This 10 hydrogen atom and 2 4s are 18 hydrogen atoms in the product side. There is no addition of hydrogen takes place in this reaction, so it is also the incorrect option. The delta option is that it is the cracking reaction. Yes, it is the cracking reaction, because in this process, higher hydrocarbon, that is alkane, is breaking down into lower hydrocarbon, that is alkane or alkene. Hopefully you get it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.